One of my most important tools that saves me when I'm in very, very challenging situations is a value bomb. For the last many years, I've worked as a coach, speaker, facilitator of workshops and talks that are very out of the comfort zone. I mean, very out of the comfort zone. Maybe some of you have been to them, but they're fun. And at these events, there's always someone there, or often someone there, who's a bit skeptical, questioning, what is this? And I remember actually teaching at a business school, and there was someone in the beginning of my workshop, I believe it was around failure, who was just kind of like very skeptical. It was like just oozing out of him, body language. All right, you know this guy. I mean, we all know these people. And then I get people start moving out of the comfort zone, doing some exercises, and about 15 minutes in, he's just like, what is this? What is this? I'm just like, music stops, everyone's looking. And this is one of those moments where I can either lose the workshop or win the workshop. He just wants to steal it, right? And all of and I need to handle this moment in a way where I don't lose like all these 40 people who are already on board. These are very, very challenging moments. And it's easy to be like, oh, that guy, that horrible guy. Actually, that person there is giving you a huge gift that's showing you, hey, you're not adding enough value right now to get me on board. And this is, these moments kind of illuminate a lot. Like, what do I need to do to convince, to help this person, to give them, more value that shows this work is important and you should get on board. And a value bomb is where a little elevator pitch that condenses your big ideas and gives people a lens into how you see your work and why it's important. And this is really the perfect weapon. That's why it's a bomb, to drop in that moment to help convince this person to get on board. So these value bombs is something that I created that really takes your most vulnerable, challenging moments that you have in your career, that we all have on a day-to-day basis, and turns them into a moment where you can feel confident. You're most confident and handle, because you've created these very condensed versions that help people give them a lens into how you see your work. And I've now have tons of these, and I'm ready to drop them at a moment's notice when I'm in a workshop, or when I'm on stage giving a talk to 200 people, or if I'm in a sales meeting with clients, and boom, I can drop it. And I can do it with confidence, no matter how I'm feeling that day, or if you're suffering from imposter syndrome, lack of confidence, if you're in a slump, you'll have this arsenal of value that you can pull out in these situations and all of a sudden feel great and get people on board your big ideas and give you a chance, a moment to breathe in those situations and handle them. Without getting swept away emotionally and without losing the crowd, so to speak. So I go way deeper into this work in my course at joshlenn.com, in my presenting course, and how to build these. And I bet you already have a bunch that you have without even knowing it, of these value bombs. If you do, let me know in the comments. Put one in there. I'd love to hear it.